I've never been anything but a meat eater. Throughout my whole life, it's been a very standard meat-based diet, and much of my favourite food is some sort of meat. Burgers, steak, fried chicken, they all played into it, but now it's time for a change. I wanted to try and get healthier, understand the benefits of giving up meat, and make a positive change in my life for a little while. And with the rise of Veganuary, I decided to go vegan for 30 days. I thought I'd be shocked by the change, but really the first week was okay. There are a lot of options and alternatives, and with the initial motivation I had, I flew into the challenge. I was cooking exciting food, trying new things, and actually enjoying it. While I was feeling healthy and taking it in my stride, my stomach wasn't exactly loving it. And as my stomach turned, my wallet started to feel the hit as well. While a vegan diet can be ultra cheap if you avoid alternatives, I just couldn't get excited by vegetables alone. All in though, I did immediately start feeling healthier, perhaps through mindset more than anything, but it begs the question, would it last? The joy of a 30-day challenge is that after the first 7 to 10 days, you can shift back into old habits. It gives a true reflection of what this sort of activity is actually like over a longer period. And if you've watched enough of my videos, you know I like takeaway food and I like fast food. Healthy, I know. And the problem is, there's a lot of fatty fast food alternatives that are vegan these days. The McPlant ended up running across my table a few times over the month. I even made my own burgers with vegan cheese and Beyond Meat patties, and the fat content is much higher than I thought. Even exploring the local vegan food scene means I was eating hot dogs with fried onions instead of healthy vegan options. As the excitement of cooking died away, I realised old habits die hard. But despite the fact I wasn't necessarily trying to be ultra healthy, I did wonder if my veganism was making me any healthier at all. So generally, well-planned vegan diets can promote weight loss, decrease cancer risk, improve heart health, and can even help prevent type 2 diabetes. Generally, I probably have been healthier, consuming less saturated fat and having more healthy meals than I normally would in a month. While it's not the healthiest, because plant-based alternatives can often have matching amounts of salt, unsaturated fat, and more, it's likely also seen me boost my fruit and vegetable consumption, reduce my snacking, and stop me drinking too much alcohol due to simply a lack of options. And it's somewhat re-baselined my day-to-day diet. Vegan diets can also shrink your carbon footprint by up to 73% by reducing energy consumption, livestock emissions, and nitrous oxide emissions, to name just a few. So while I've still been eating burgers, enjoying a Greggs sausage roll or two, and finding the best vegan hot dog spot, I've almost certainly become a bit healthier. My attitude has also changed, even if it's only because I understand the pain of having to double check every ingredient to make sure things are vegan. I think there's certainly a massive benefit to it, and with plant-based alternatives at every turn, it's been made easier than ever before to go vegan. I don't plan on staying completely vegan, but I do want to try and increase the number of plant-based meals I have each week, just so I can have a positive impact on my health and on the environment. I always used to think that it was a flavour thing, that you just couldn't get the same amount of flavour in plant-based meals as you can in meat. But that's wrong, and I learnt that during this challenge. You can pack a hell of a lot of flavour into your plant-based meals by trying different cuisines, trying different spices, and experimenting with your food. So I really recommend you give this a go, even if it's just one day a week. But now I want to hear from you. Are you a vegan, or are you going to try being vegan for a little while? Comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you enjoyed this video, like it and subscribe to the Unfold channel for more 30-day challenges and videos around health, happiness, productivity, and more. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you all very, very soon.